Hi, hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. Hey, if you haven't been here before, my name is Jason. The channel's all about helping people make money online. We find ways to make money online and we pass that information on to you so you can do the same. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We really appreciate it. And if you like this video, please leave me a like on it. Now, what we're going to do today is go ahead and continue on our series right here of turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month using Clickbank step by step. Now what we're doing is we're using a free offer from Clickbank, and we're promoting that with an email platform called My Lead Gen Secret. We're just going here, we're sending an email every single day. We've got 5 accounts running with this, and that is where our $5 a day comes from. Every single day they drop in 100 or 200 leads for us in that account, in those accounts, and then we send an email once every 23 hours. So let's jump into Clickbank and see our results for yesterday. Oh, I was already logged in. So there's our sale from the other day. Let's check. Let's open this up. See what kind of traffic we're getting in here. Okay, so today we've had 106 clicks to our link. Like I said, we haven't even sent our emails out yet today, so those just go on top of today also. Yesterday, we can check yesterday, we had 355 clicks to our link. And then let's just do there. We'll see what we are overall. Okay, so there we are overall. So we're up to almost 4,500 clicks to our link, 86 visits to our order form, and then we've got the 1 sale. So right now we can figure it's going to take us about probably 80 hits to our order form to get a sale. We'll see if that works out in the averages, but right now that's what it's looking like, and that's fine. This is an experiment. We're testing this theory, and it's working out. So we've made a sale as we set out to do, and this is just going to snowball. So we're into this. I believe today is day 24. Let's look and see. Yes, today is day 24. And we're just going to keep doing this every single day with copy and paste emails. So let's jump right over back into our messaging, our email system. We're going to log into our first account. Mailing system. Again, you don't need these. You don't need this. You don't need to change anything here. All you do here, mailing system, select all. And then we're going to go down, and we've got our email pulled up on our Google Doc. So I'm going to Control-C and grab our subject there. And then I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to pull this entire email with the link. And there we go. Control-C, highlight everything. Control-V to paste it. Now, as always, we are going to make this all normal. And we're going to get rid of this short code, and we're going to put in the system short code for first name, comma. And then we'll go in here and see, let's see, signature. And then we need to see where we can put our link. So let's fix our link up. Your Clickbank ID right here. There we go. Our link's ready to go. We'll highlight, Control-C, and right here's where we need it for sure. And we like to put this in here a couple of times, And this one I'm going to bold, and I'm going to make it a little bigger. So let's see where else we can put it. Oh, there we go. They've already got it set up for 2 spots for us. Perfect. Right there. Again, we're going to bold, and then we're going to just bring that size up a little bit. Okay, so it says hi first name. Let me scroll up so I can get there. There we go. It says hi first name. Do you ever use Facebook groups? Who doesn't, right? This is a beginner online social media job posting to hire new Facebook group moderators. Many online businesses now have their own Facebook groups that they use to help give their customers additional support and also help generate new sales for their business. For this, these businesses need to hire Facebook group moderators. These are online only positions, meaning you can do the work from home or anywhere. And full training is provided. Click here to complete your application if you're interested. Job description. Facebook group moderators are responsible for making sure that a business Facebook group runs smoothly. You will need to monitor new posts made by group members and delete any that are not appropriate, as well as help respond to comments from customers where necessary. Full training is provided, and you will have a supervisor to help you with any parts where you don't know what to do. With any parts. Yeah, that's okay, I guess. Pay $28 an hour, hours per week, 10 plus. No fixed term. Bold these so they stand out a little bit. Location. Let's bold that too. No, we'll leave it. Location. This is an online job. We're looking for applicants from all countries. Requirements. You need 3 things: an internet connected device such as a laptop, phone, or tablet, Android or iOS. 2, internet access. 3, 5 hours available each day to use social media and promote these companies. These positions are filling fast. Click here to complete your application now. Looking out for you. My name. Yep, that'll work. So we're going to get rid of this because we don't need it anymore. We're going to hit perfect timing. This looks fine to me for a copy and paste. So we're going to Control C and send. Now we'll wait till we see that it's gone here. Okay, so that's gone. So we're going to duplicate, and we're going to go, as always, log out. Log into our next one. Mailing system, select all the way down. We've already got our email, so we're going to Control V. Perfect timing. We're going to come up here, and we need to grab our subject line from our Google Doc. And then we're going to copy or highlight our email, Control C, copy our email for our next account. And then now that one's gone. So we'll go to our next one. We had 3. Maybe there we go. So all the way down, highlight, Control V, perfect timing, subject, grab our subject. Highlight, Control C, and send. All right, now that one's gone. I'm going to move on to the next account. And number 4. Highlight, Control V, perfect timing. We're gonna go grab our subject line from our Google Doc right there. I'm gonna highlight, Control C, and send. See how fast this is? It's just quick getting this stuff out so we can start making some of this money. And then we've got our very last account here. So number 5, mailing system, select all, come all the way down. Gonna highlight, Control V, perfect timing. Subject. Okay, there we go. We don't need to pull this again because we're done. And send. So there we go. All those are out. So we can go in here and we can actually check some stats just to see how we're looking and to see what we're up to. So 4,200 is what we sent to this morning on this account. So here is going to tell us how many opens we're getting. So we're still doing good. And it tells us how many clicks we're getting, which we already know from inside Clickbank too. So we can kind of compare these and see, right? Now let's see. Let's go and check a different. Let's check another one. Okay, 4,900 went out today for this one. So right there, that's almost 10,000, right? We've still got 3 accounts we didn't even check. So you can see this just builds and builds and builds, and this just gonna blow up huge, and it's gonna snowball. This is just gonna get huge as we go, especially having 5 accounts. Running 5 accounts on this is definitely the way to go. One account is, you don't ever want to run one account because you can always double your leads by getting that second one. So even if you run 2, that's fine. It's a lot better than running just 1, because then at least you're getting 300 every single day rather than just 100. It's going to take a long time to build on just 100 leads per day doing it like this. That's why we run 5 accounts, because we want to stack leads in here as fast and as much as we can so that we're getting our link out in front of more people all the time. Right? This is a numbers game. We want big numbers, get in front of a lot of people so that we better our chances to make some sales. All right, guys. So that is it for today, I think. Appreciate you being here. If you like this video, leave me a like on it. Don't forget to subscribe. We sure appreciate it. Stay tuned. We'll have more of these coming out, and we'll see how long it takes us and kind of where that average is going to sit so we make that next sale. We'll see whether it's going to be 50 or 80 clicks to our order form before we make another sale. And then we will take an average on what we think it's going to look like moving forward. So we can kind of count on sales. We can see when we can count on those sales. All right. So, all right. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Later.